Our Monash Engineering Leadership Program is really there to educate tomorrow's engineering leaders. This is an extracurricular program, so only a small number of students, about 30 to 40 every year, get selected.
I actually got invited into the leadership program as soon as I finished my VCE. And at that point, I didn't actually know what the leadership program was. That was around about the time that I just found out that I was going to get into engineering at all. So it was a pretty thrilling time.
I got invited to the leadership program when I just started my uni course, and I feel really excited about this opportunity.
We're celebrating leadership as well.
This is really a program which helps our leadership students to set themselves apart from other graduates.
There was a lot of emphasis on communication skills.
We had amazing speakers there, lots of life experiences, and they had absolutely amazing presentations that imparted a lot of knowledge on us.
Before we started this, we went and talked to industry and we asked them what they thought of our graduates.
Well, industry values this program very highly. This is why we have so many industry sponsorships.
We get an opportunity to get access to the best students.
It enables them to lift the profile of their company within the faculty and to identify the students that are going to be good for their company.
I was lucky enough to be able to receive a Visi Industry Scholarship Award. The one thing I took away from that experience was being able to communicate with people all across the business, including people that weren't engineers, that were workers.
I guess the importance of the program for us is that it provides new blood into the Telstra team. We like to see how they go about creating and crafting their solutions, their interest and intensity, their passion for what they do, and their thinking outside of the box.
We see value in graduates. They're the future of the company, both from a technical and from a leadership point of view, and they bring new energy, innovation, and a new way of thinking.
I get to apply what I've learned in school to a real life mine. And I get to work with the frontline workers, miners, underground, doing night shift, day shifts. It's unique and it's something I've never experienced before, so it's definitely really exciting.
They can get things done, and it's they're real jobs, real projects and real outcomes.
This little device here turns water to wine. Anyway, we thought, investors in the room, let's get a demonstration going.
I feel like I am more job ready because I have a lot more skills. I feel like I am more aware of what the workforce has in store for me.
I'm pretty interested to see how to apply these skills I've picked up from the leadership program. In the next few years, there's going to be a lot of opportunities for vacation work and there'll be a lot of interviews to sit through.
I was lucky enough to receive the 2015 Transurban Scholarship, and in the last 18 months, I have seen myself improve in absolute leaps and bounds, especially in my technical engineering knowledge as well as my own confidence levels.
We are finding the opportunity to work with good future graduates, but also we're contributing to the development of graduates, not just for the benefit of ourselves, but also for the benefit of the industry as a whole. And I think that's a really positive thing.
The closing comment that I have tonight is that this has been a great evening and a very inspiring evening, and I'm grateful to have had the opportunity to be here to share it with you. There's a great deal of entrepreneurism in the room. You're clearly embracing the opportunities that are in front of you, and you're clearly getting on with your careers and your innovative and creative lives with a real embrace of that concept.
Everybody knows that our students learn a lot in engineering at Monash, but what else can they talk about? And this is what they learn then in the leadership program.
Graduating tonight, I feel very excited. I feel like I have accomplished everything that I set out to achieve and that I have developed much as a person over the last 3 years.